Hello everyone, this is Team 4. We're going to present the topic of Alexa, a Pandora's box of risk. First, I want to introduce you what is Alexa. Alexa, also named as Amazon Alexa, is a virtual assistant artificial intelligence technology developed by Amazon. The smart voice assistant identifies people's voice and performs assistance in conducting those commands, such as playing audiobooks and providing real-time weather information. Alexa improves the efficiency of our daily life, but also have a huge exposure to potential risk. First, let's come to the question, which of the risks posed by Alexa are the greatest threats to Amazon and Amazon users? First is the privacy risk. This is definitely one of the major risks posed by Alexa. The article mentioned how even without a wake word, Alexa can still be able to trigger, record, and store customers' conversations. Moreover, the data can be accessed by Amazon employees. Also, people who tend to use Alexa has a list of smart devices that one combine, collects, an immense amount of personal information that Amazon has access to, and no one can really know how the information will be used. The second is the security risk. Given the vulnerabilities of Alexa, especially the fact that it can be easily triggered and is not fully competent at recognizing and responding to authorized voices, it exposes a security risk for its clients. Hackers can have the ability to break into a home if they're skilled enough to use words and applications that sounds familiar to Alexa. Also, the liability risk. With all the risks that Alexa presents, I don't think Amazon has made clear who will be responsible in this situation where there is a major security breach, like a hacker getting access to someone's home via Alexa. These are issues that cause concerns because Amazon could deny liability in the case where a crime is committed through its Alexa. And then let's come to the second question. What could and should Amazon do to ensure the security of its devices and its customers' data? I want to stress that we could strengthen its natural language processing technologies and improve Alexa's training. We could encourage Amazon to have a more careful conversation around the machine, which could deter users from buying the product in the first place. And also, it would be also beneficial for Alexa to have a code word that it responds to, for example, "Hey Siri." Also, we would want to also suggest to have an ending code word. For example, by Alexa, it would be beneficial to tell the device to stop listening. Also, if Alexa is not heard, device will stop. If the byword of by Alexa is not heard of the device, and the device will stop listening after 10 seconds of silence of the current environment. Also, hacking prevention is necessary, and it's definitely that Amazon Amazon has the money and the power to invest into the device cybersecurity and engineering to enhance user privacy. They have the strength to improve the situation. And also, how much responsibility should a company accept when security breaches occur? It could be argued that customers are mostly at fault if their information is breached because they took the risk of purchasing the device. So we think that the Amazon should take the responsibility of informing users of the risk associated with using Alexa, improve and detail the related policies, user privacy associated with using Alexa, improve and detail the related policies, user privacy policy, for example, and the potential risks, damaging results, and Amazon's responsibility should be clearly defined and clarified in the policy regulations. And Amazon should accept all those responsibilities that already stated in the private and security policy. And also, we also think that the Amazon should take the partial and stated responsibility according to the level of security breaches cases. For example, we could suggest that Amazon could mark every case as a level, and Amazon should take partial responsibility, reimbursement, for example, according to the level of the security breaches cases. And also, we would suggest that the Amazon could identify and document the main scenarios that will pose security threats to users, form a group of researchers to find solutions to each, and make recommendations to modify Alexa. These are responsibilities that they should take when security breaches occur. And also, our next question is how can Amazon improve the accuracy of Alexa responses? We suggest that Amazon could train Alexa through neural network training with a variety of different accents and a way of speaking, and including those people who have speech impediments and other features of its main users to respond to a variety of different questions in a general scenario. And also, we suggest Amazon should have more machine learning research groups to collect, annotate, label, train, and test more human audio recordings. The accuracy of Alexa responses could be improved by a more systematic and detailed labeling system and more accessible to machine learning trainable data sources. And our third suggestion is to suggest Amazon could have more UX research groups to study the interaction modes between Alexa and users and find innovative solutions to make most use of Alexa functionality while avoiding misunderstandings and mishearings of humans. And then, how can Amazon improve the monetization of Alexa? We have a few suggestions. The first is it could build scenarios and support functionalities fitting for business users or more general business users. For example, supporting the Microsoft Voice Intelligence. And also, we suggest Amazon could continue expanding its ecosystem in various scenarios such as home automation, online and offline shopping. Also, we suggest Alexa could design efficient ways to earn money from its marketing, while also giving users a good experience. It is a kind of balance between monetization and a user experience. And also, we suggest Amazon and Alexa team could dig deeper into available user data, study the mode, and provide improved products to users. We also suggest they could combine Alexa with more stores and making use of its unique feature of highlighting and interactivity for purchasing options, which are especially useful in a COVID-19 pandemic. Also, Amazon could improve its monetization by strengthening its privacy and security policies. Most people nowadays are concerned with privacy issues. Therefore, ensuring that privacy is a top priority will ease some of the apprehension that people have when it comes to the use of voice assistant and similar technologies. So here comes our conclusions. With the prevalence of smart voice intelligence such as Alexa, users are becoming more susceptible to information leaks and hacks. To improve Alexa, Amazon should take the responsibility of potential risk. Also, as a multi-million-dollar company with various resources, Amazon has the power to provide more protection for their customers. Amazon should warn their users of the potential risk, recommend safe behaviors, and work to reimburse customers who are victims of hacks. Also, improving user transparency, protection, and support could encourage more users to buy Alexa. And then, technology and security improvements, such as opening and closing trigger words, could improve the accuracy and safety of Alexa. And last but not the least, Alexa monetization could be further increased by improving its transparency and customer support. And this is our presentation. Thank you.